So I've had this Shark cordless handheld vacuum, I don't know how many years. We've had it a while, but now all of a sudden it won't come on. It just stopped working. So a brand new one costs about $54. I'm going to try to find a replacement battery and see if I can get it to work again for cheaper. So here's the battery pack, and man, this son of a gun is hot. Wow. So I'm going to unhook it, and I'm going to do a search on Google and hopefully Amazon and see if I can find a replacement battery, but that damn thing is very hot. So the plug connectors are heat sinked or heat wrapped, so I've got to cut that loose. You can see it comes on and then goes right back off again. I'm hoping it's the battery here. Try not to cut myself. More work than I wanted to do. But if I can save some money and not throw this in the garbage, I'll be happy. All right, I got to get a couple pairs of pliers. Get a couple pairs of pliers out and see if I can get this. Well, I see there's electricity running in it. I know that. I saw a spark. There we go. There's one and two. So here we go. Here's the battery pack. We're going to see if we can find it online and see if we can replace it and get this thing to work again. So I bought a battery on Amazon, a replacement battery for the Shark, and it was only $24. So I'm going to install it and hopefully it'll charge back up again. I was going to use the heat wrap for these, but I'm worried about setting something on fire or melting it. So I'm just going to use electrical tape. All right, I got the new battery in and it runs. So 25 bucks, save something from the landfill. How about that?